Hey there guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to show you how to use Brevo for client onboarding. If you want a clean, automated way to welcome new clients, send them their next steps, and guide them through your process without doing everything manually, Brevo makes this super simple. So let's walk through how to set up a smooth onboarding sequence inside of your account. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link we've put down below in the description. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which takes you through everything step by step. Now, let's get started. First, open your Brevo account and look at the left sidebar. Click on the Automations tab, then go to Workflows. This is where you build everything related to onboarding. You might see that there are a few workflows here already, but we're going to create a brand new one just for onboarding new clients. At the top right, click on the Create an Automation. Brevo will show you several ready-made templates. Since we're focusing on onboarding, you can just choose the welcome message template, or if you want more customization, click on the create from scratch button. For this tutorial, we're going to build it from scratch so you can see every single part of the process. Now, as soon as the editor opens, the first thing you need to set is the trigger. The trigger decides when the onboarding starts for a client. On the left, you'll see all of the trigger options. For onboarding, the most common one is contact added to a list. This means the moment you add a new client to your onboarding list, Brevo will automatically start the workflow for them. Since the list you use, or select rather, the list that you use for clients and confirm the trigger. Next, we're going to add an action under the Action tab. Let's say that we add send an email, and then select the welcome email template you already have, or create a new one using the drag and drop editor. Now make sure to include things like a greeting, what they can expect next, and any important links or instructions they might need right away. After that, let's add a delay. Now, under the Rules tab, click and drag the time delay to the workflow area, and then add a delay and choose how long you want to wait before sending the next message. 1 or 2 days is common. Then add your second onboarding email. This might include setup instructions, access to tools, or a checklist. You can keep adding steps to guide your clients through every part of your process. Now, if you want to personalize the experience at all, click on the Rules tab and add conditions. For example, you can create separate paths for clients who opened your first email and maybe clients who didn't. This helps you send reminders only to people who really need them. Maybe they need that extra nudge. Once you finish building the sequence, look at the top of the page and click on the Activate Automation button right there at the top right corner. You see it? Good. Now your onboarding system is fully automated at this point. If you want to get started with Brevo, use the link below that we put in the description for 50% off the access to the full course. Now, if you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.